Hi, Kevin from the Awareness website, and here we are with another week's continuing classroom classics. That's tough to say, man. So this week's video is going to be on Flying at a Slant. So we're going to be working on a few things with that. And just want to say, I was at that Edmonton workshop last week, and it was a great workshop with Philippe Gagnon, and awesome stuff. Really loved it. So if you ever get a chance to go to his workshops, by all means do so. So anyway, stay tuned. We'll be right back to work on the move. Alrighty. So yes, last weekend went to the workshop. I don't know if you all know, it was hosted by Paul Bromley, who teaches up in Edmonton. He brought Philippe Gagnon in, and Gagnon from Montreal, and met lots of great people, some new faces, some old faces. So it was really a good little reunion almost. And we had some great food. You know, that's the first weekend that I spent all weekend eating vegan food. So it was really good. I was very surprised and very yummy. So lots of good food and everything. Worked on lots of great stuff. So yeah, it was great meeting everybody. Great doing Tai Chi with everybody, and looking forward to next time down the road when we do it again or meet some more people. So yeah, by all means, I recommend those kind of things. So let's get on with the move, Flying at a Slant. Now this move combines, again, like most of the other moves, it combines a lot of the foundation exercises, and of course paying attention to the principles in the moves themselves. So this one, very much like when you go and do step back to ward off monkey or repulse monkeys, it's very much the same elements, except you're taking a longer step and then turning into it. So kind of goes like this. Like I was saying, from the repulse monkey left, you go into repulse monkey right. So this is a small step back, but notice you're balanced on your right leg, you step back. So step back, put the foot at 45, line it up, and then sit down. So going into Flying at a Slant, same thing, except you relax your weight into the left leg so you can step back, place it at 45, and then you push from your left leg. And when the leg gets straight, you pick up the toe and pivot on the heel, and the body turns. Then you relax down into the right leg, and then push up and bring the arms together. So that turning is basically this exercise. So you're turning the body, but you're allowing everything to pivot. So you're pushing from that leg, much like a toyu, where you push back from the front leg. You're pushing from that leg, and as you push, you pick up the toe and turn the body, and you just grind that heel. So there's a lot of focus on turning on that heel so that the whole body can turn. Then you sit down here, and then as you come up, there's sort of this sideways shift again. So like we did earlier in the set, this sideways movement of the spine as you come up and turn. So there's a turning, a shifting, a stretching going on, so it's really working the whole spine. So repulse monkey right. You stand up, your balance is in the left leg, so you keep your balance in the left leg, you relax. So see, I'm still stable in this leg, and this right arm is still expressing forward as I step back. So there's a connection between the right arm and the right leg. Then I push from the leg, pick up the toe and turn, and then relax down, and then shift, stand up, and I'm going to turn and look in line with that foot at that 45 degrees. From there, I'm going to turn and sit down into the left leg, step out, and then I'm going to, just like a toyu, is I'm going to line up the left arm over the right arm over the right leg, and then express out. So the balance then goes into the right leg. So just like a toyu. So you want to make sure that when you stretch back, you want to place that foot at 45 and try not to, when you step back from this angle, you can see that I'm going to try and step back in line with my right hand. So I don't want to swing my foot around, because you see it starts me turning and I start to swing the arms. So you want to relax down, step straight back, try not to wobble like I just did. So you come up, relax down, step straight back, and put the foot back at 45. So it's more or less in line with this arm. So then when you turn and pivot on that heel, your feet end up parallel. So if this foot is way back behind it, you've swung your foot around and instep going backwards. And if your foot is way out here, then most likely you've tilted over to step. So again, you don't want to swing the foot around behind you, and you don't want to kind of tilt and step out to the side like that. You want to keep your balance in the left leg, relax down and express forward. If you can express forward with the right hand as you step back, that'll help you keep your balance in the left leg. So you're up, you relax down and step straight back, and then push. Come up nice and tall, pick up the toe and pivot on the heel. So the arms just come with the turn, relax down into the right leg, and then push up and turn and line up over that left 45 degrees. Then you're going to relax back down into the left leg, step out. So the arms are just in that hold the ball position, and then you're going to push from the back leg and relax into the front and extend out. So lots going on, trying to time and coordinate that turn, then relaxing into the leg, and then shifting and standing up and turning. Takes a lot of practice. So, but the key thing is to keep the balance in that leg and allow yourself to find those angles. And then of course all the other principles, trying to use the legs like you do in toyus. I don't know, is there anything else I can say about this, Shelley?
Maybe just, I don't know, standing, like keeping that, you kept
coming upright.
Coming upright, that was one thing that...
Yeah. It's a good thing to, we've got a couple students in the class here that there is a tendency when they come up is they sort of lean forward to get the foot back, and so it gets really wobbly. So anytime you're doing the standing up, you want to be able to push from the leg and come right up through the top of the head. And as the arms express, and then everything relaxes. So you come up, arms open, and everything then relaxes down so that you can step back. But see, even as I step back, my body angles a bit, but it's just like doing a danyu, right? Up, and then your hips sit back as you do a danyu. So this is the same. You're up, you sit down, do your danyu, step, and then push, turn, sit, shift, and turn and stand up. So again, right up through the top of the head. And then everything can just relax down into the leg and be nice and comfortable. So you're not straining your back. If you start turning, come down here, and then you sort of push yourself over. I'm all tilted here, so now these muscles are taking the load. So you want to be able to push up from the leg so the body's upright, and then you can just relax down into the leg and step out. So same idea through all the moves. Anytime you're standing up, whether it's brush knees or play the pepa or any of that, you want to come up and make sure that everything comes up nice and straight. And then you're relaxing down into the leg to get your sit and step. So lots of stuff. Let's do some follow along. We'll do that from a couple of different angles. So I'll start facing away as if you're behind me. So we'll do it from the repulse monkey right. So you're balanced on the left leg, the right toe is down in front, and the right arm is forward. So repulse monkey right. So we open up and turn to the left, and then relax into the left leg and step back. Push from the heel, pivot, sit down in the right, shift across, turn and stand up nice and tall, then relax down into left leg, step out with the right, arm out, and then up, and then relax and express. So keeping the elbows relaxed and down as you express out. Let's do that again. Repulse monkey right, right toe forward, right arm forward. Push up, turn to the left, nice and tall, relax, step back, push from the left leg, pivot on the heel, tall, sit down, shift, turn, up, tall, sit down into the left leg, step out with the right, up, nice and tall here, and then everything just relaxes down and you express. Okay, one more time. So repulse monkey right, up, relax, long step back, turn for flying at a slant, up tall, sit down, shift, up, relax down the left leg, step out, flying at a slant. We also call this part of it T over a fence, as though you're presenting a cup of tea over the fence. You got this hand on top of the fence, and your tea's going over to your neighbor. Flying at a slant, cup of tea. Okay, let's do it facing this direction, and then we'll do it facing the other direction as well. So repulse monkey right, up, turn to the left, relax, long step, push from the left leg, turn, sit down, up nice and tall, relax into left leg, step out, T over a fence. Let's do that again. Up, relax and long step. So I'll just make mention is you don't turn when you step. You turn after the foot is planted. So, like I was just mentioning, try not to turn as you step. So you come up, resist the temptation to turn. Keep at this 45-degree angle to the left. Relax down, step, stretch forward with the right hand, and then push from the leg and turn. Sit down into left, right leg, up on the left side, sit down into left leg, step out, flying at a slant. Okay, one more time on this side. So push up, express forward as you relax and step back. Push from the left, turn nice and tall, relax down into the right leg. Push up, holding the ball. Relax into the left leg, step, and turn, and relax. Okay, so again, if you've got any questions or comments, let us know. Check out Facebook, like us on Facebook, check out the website, and subscribe to our channel. And I had something else I was going to mention. Oh yes, we're going to be moving, our studio is going to be changing, so stay tuned for that. It's very exciting. Okay, take care. See you later.